joined us. We are gonna take turns, of course, answering questions and participating. We're gonna follow this list on the left-hand side here. So now I'm gonna leave you with Mr. Anthony to say hello to everyone.
Okay. So before we start,
Yes, Hamoudi.
there's 10 people in the voice chat, but only 8 in the stream. So if join the stream, guys. Just go on Mr. Amar's name, then join the stream.
Yes, they joined us.
Yes, but there is 2 people. Not
Two people, who are there?
Who is not joined, guys? Join the stream.
So there are 2 people online.
محمد عبد العزيز محمد معتز عمر صالح فيصل عدوي.
Yeah. Okay.
There's 2 more people that didn't join.
Okay. So
So it's
can
okay, join the stream.
yeah, all right. All right. Have they joined yet?
Yes.
Okay. So I leave you with Mr. Anthony to introduce today's class and say hello to you, Mr. Anthony.
If we start recording?
Yes.
Yeah, recording. Okay, great. Good morning, guys. Very happy to be here this morning on the social media online lesson today. Today I'll be joined with Mr. Omar, and we'll be doing the conversation about our grammar lesson together and asking questions and really helping you guys understand and clarify any questions that you might have, and yeah, learn together. So this is new for both of us, and we're really excited to get on with this lesson and continue your online learning. So I'm going to hand you over now to Mr. Omar, and he's going to explain what we'll be doing today.
Okay, gentlemen. So going back to our previous topic, which we started in one channel, actually video lesson before, but based on some of your view requests that we do the class presentation again and answer your questions. Today we're going to talk about what are we going to talk about, Anthony?
Writing with Concord parallel structure.
Yeah. So some people are still confused what a parallel structure is. Can you give us an idea what is it supposed to mean, Anthony?
Well, parallel means
In math, for example.
in math
we
it's
hear it a lot in math.
it's
don't
like
we?
similar, two things that are very similar or identical almost.
Yeah.
So if you relate that to a sentence structure, you would see similarities between one sentence and another sentence.
Yeah.
Maybe?
So yeah, you got it right actually. You said so. The key word here is or the key phrase actually is similar structure. So what are we talking about here? We're talking about similar structure. We're not talking about similar words or similar meaning. So if I may ask who's first on our list here? Who's first on our list? Who's first?
Aziz.
Abdulaziz.
Hello.
Hi, Aziz. Yeah, we can hear you. Do you now understand? Do you now understand the meaning of the word parallel?
Yes.
So
I
what-
understand it yesterday, but I don't answer because
Yeah.
like if there is was a triangle and there is another shape. If the other shape was same as the triangle, you would say the other shape is parallel to the triangle.
This is a very good geometry example, Aziz. Very good. Abdullah Faisal? Abdullah Faisal? What does a parallel structure mean?
Similar.
Yeah, things that have the similar or have the almost the same or similar structure. Very good, Abudi. Thank you. Agil? Any other ideas?
Sentences with the same structure.
Can you speak up a bit, love?
Yes. Parallel is when 2 sentences have the same structure.
Wonderful, love. How about Faisal Saleh?
Similar.
Similar. All right. How about Hamad?
It's a sentence that have the same components of the word
Wow.
and the phrases that are similar to each other.
Come on, man. You're such a good dictionary, man. Thank you. Very good. How about Mataz? Mataz, are you there? Okay, so let's move on to Muhammad Jibreen until Mataz is with us. Muhammad Jibreen?
Yes.
Yes, Habibi. Sorry, we skipped Muhammad Saad. Sorry. I apologize, Muhammad Jibreen. Muhammad Saad? Muhammad Saad first.
Okay.
Muhammad Saad?
You put mute.
Muted. Yes, Hamoudi. Can you tell us what a parallel structure means?
Actually, I don't know because
You don't know. You weren't following. Okay, can you listen to Muhammad Jibreen? Maybe he can help us.
No. Parallel sentences when like two sentences are similar and they have the same structure.
So, for example, I'm gonna type this word on the message here. Okay, if I say I went across the river, can somebody finish my sentence with a parallel structure here?
I went across the river.
Yeah. So, do you see across the river here? What are the components of this phrase?
This is a verb,
A verb? No, a preposition.
a preposition, then a noun phrase.
An article and then a noun phrase. Very good. So I went across the river. Can you give us a parallel structure for the same phrase here?
I went across the river
Yes.
to the bridge.
Under the bridge? Under
Under the bridge, yes.
the bridge. Yeah, very good. Yeah.
That's a preposition phrase.
One more phrase? Can somebody add one more phrase?
On top of the mountain.
Mister,
Yes, Aziz.
I went across the river and back.
Across the river, under the bridge. We need a parallel phrase.
Yes, I went across the river and back.
No, and back is not a parallel phrase because back is only an adverb in this situation actually, rather than
I have
a
one.
prepositional phrase. Omar Saleh has one. Yeah, Omar.
Mr. I love reading. Writing and back.
Hold on, Omar. I'm gonna have to write. Sorry, I ended the previous one.
I have one. I have one.
Hold on. So let me finish my example first. For example, I went across the river into the woods above or up the mountain. Up, right? The mountain.
Over the mountain.
Over the mountain? Okay, up or over the mountain. And can somebody and what?
And into the ocean.
You're gonna die here. Okay, but for the sake of example, it's okay. It works. Into the ocean. If you look at I'm gonna listen to everybody. Don't worry. I'm gonna listen to everybody's example. So if you look at this phrase here, across the river and into the woods, up the mountain and into the ocean. What's the common factor between all these sentences, the phrases, sorry? We're talking math here. So I'm gonna listen to Abdulaziz first. What's the relationship or the common factor between all these sentences?
They have the same components.
Very good. How about you, Abdullah Faisal? Can you elaborate more? Abdullah Faisal?
Yes.
Can you elaborate more? Aziz said they have the same components. What are these components? Abdullah?
Yes.
Yes, Habib, speak up, please. Sorry, your voice is faint. Can you speak up a bit, please?
What means component?
Components like the parts. They have the same parts, the same ingredients, if you might use cooking vocabulary. The same parts.
I did.
You don't know. Can you listen to Muhammad Al-Aqil?
If I answer,
Yes, Hamoudi.
I went across the river. Across the river is across is a preposition.
Very good.
There is
River is a noun phrase. Very good. So what do we have here?
into is a preposition.
Very good.
That is an article.
Yeah.
One is
So
noun phrase.
the pattern go. Do you assume that the pattern preposition plus noun phrase, right? So
And the article.
so if I copy it like this, so the pattern goes like this. Preposition like this. Okay, boys, right?
Yes.
It goes like this.
Yes.
Right? Oh, sorry. I'm gonna go back. Okay,
Escape.
it goes like this. Okay, so this is how it goes. Like, so what do we call these structures? These phrases? We call them parallel phrases or parallel structures. All right. So let's go back to our PowerPoint presentation with Mr. Anthony. Yes, Mr. Anthony. So
Okay. So we just found out parallel structures express related ideas in similar forms, keeping writing on track.
So if I might use the idea of keywords in this definition, what keywords that may draw your attention here, Anthony?
Related ideas.
Very good.
And similar forms.
Yeah. So we're talking about similar form, and forms is like what Muhammad Al-Aqil. What does form mean? Muhammad Al-Aqil. Okay. Saud Turkey. Saud Turkey.
Yes.
So what do we mean by similar? What do we mean by the word form?
Your voice is cracking up. I can't hear anything.
So what does the word form here mean?
Form. It means to create something.
No, but here in this context, we need it as a noun.
I know, Mr.
Oh, I know, Mustafa.
Let's listen to Hamad because we haven't heard from him.
Forms here means kinds, similar kinds.
Close, but not really. Let's listen to Muhammad Jibreen.
It's like similar shapes.
Can you look above a bit?
Context.
Can you look above a bit? Above.
Yes.
What do you see?
Yes. It's parallel structures.
What's the second word?
Structure.
So what does form mean?
It's means like the structure of.
Very good. I love you, man. Very good. Spot on. Very good.
Mister, your voice is cracking.
Sorry, maybe my computer is running slow or the internet.
No, I can
It's
hear.
either my computer or the internet.
So is it okay if I give an,
Pardon me?
can I give an example of
Yes, please, Muhammad, please. Sure.
sometimes when like there's a bodybuilder, they say his form, like his.
Sorry, Hamoudi, I think we've lost you.
Nice example. Here, we lost it.
Yes. So your example again, please. Can you write it? Can you write it on the message section?
It's better if I say.
Yeah, I'm gonna follow you. You say it.
Okay. When someone is a bodybuilder or they say his form is great, like his structure is great.
I don't know. I think your voice is cracking again.
Mister, what you mean is like the bodybuilder that had muscles and acted like that. When they
Yeah.
want to say that his body is great, they say there's his structure of his body is great. Like this. That's for.
Yeah, very good. So you're explaining the word form. So very good. So the word form is actually means here in this context means similar structure or similar components, like Aziz said. Okay. So Look at this picture here, boys. What can you see here? Parallel. Very good lines here. So this is railroad track. What can you see here, Anthony?
Yeah, similar parallel tracks
Very good.
of a train.
Yeah. So I'd like to ask who hasn't participated so far. I'd like to ask Muhammad Al-Ajmi to read this definition for us. Muhammad Al-Ajmi.
He has a problem. He can't speak.
So Mu'taz,
The same problem.
and who else? Abdullah Faisal.
Yes.
Yes, Habodi. Yeah. Can you read this definition for us?
Okay. Parallel structure
Problem
is
solved.
the arrangement of similar parts of a sentence of group of sentence in similar grammatical forms.
Forms. Very good. Wonderful, Abdullah. So actually, many famous quotations and sayings have parallel structure. Can you recall any quotation when it is like the same structure is repeated, Anthony?
Off my heart.
Yeah.
Nothing's coming to mind.
Yeah. So do you
Can
remember?
I
Do you remember Martin Luther King's famous speech, boys?
Yes.
Sir, I
Which phrase or clause he repeated a lot?
I had a dream.
Very good. Very good. You see, my boys are brilliant. Very good. So, yes, Aziz, do you have an example?
Yes, I have an example.
Okay, go ahead, Muhammad Aqib.
I think someone said early to rise makes a man healthy and wise.
Very good. I think we have this example in the PowerPoint presentation. I love you, man. Very good. How about you, Aziz?
Mister, can I answer this one?
Yes.
Give me liberty or give me this.
Very good. What did you do here, Aziz, to have a parallel structure here?
I changed the second phrase so it is parallel to the first one.
Very good. In what way?
Easy.
I'll hand you to Mr. Anthony to discuss it with you.
The first
Abdullah Aziz, what did you do?
one is give. Yes, I made the second one as the same as the first one because the first one says give me liberty. I made the second one give me also.
So why do you think that you've done that? Why do you think that
They are parallel. Yeah.
Why do you think so?
Because the give me is used in the first phrase and I put it in the second phrase.
Great. And that means they are
Parallel.
parallel. Great.
So, Hamad Dekhail,
Yes.
can you dissect these phrases for us, please? Give me liberty. What are the components of these phrases?
Give the preposition.
Sorry?
Give, I think, the preposition or
Do you agree, boys? Is give a preposition? Does it show us a place or a time?
no, it's a verb.
It's a verb. Mu'taz, you're with us. You're finally back.
I solved the problem.
Oh, alhamdulillah. Thank God. So, Mu'taz. Sorry, Hamad. I'll have to hand it to Mu'taz now, and I'm gonna get back to you in a minute. So, why do you think this is a verb, Mu'taz?
Because it's you are asking somebody or telling somebody to give you something.
Yeah, very good. So it's an action verb actually. So when somebody does the giving is something that you do, right? Right. So it's an action verb. So it expresses an action rather than a state, rather than a place, rather than a time, right? So it can't be a preposition here. Do you understand, Hamad, now?
Yes.
Yes, love. So and how about me, Hamad? How about the word me?
Me like an article,
No.
a plural.
No.
No.
Huh? Who knows, boys?
Is it a noun?
No. Mister, yes, now.
Yes, Aziz, you're gonna jump out of my computer screen, man.
Is it a noun? Yes, Muhammad.
What is it, Aziz?
I said it's a noun. pronoun.
A pronoun, yeah, rather a pronoun, not a noun. Very good. It's a pronoun, but what does it do? What is its job here? Does it function as a subject? Because a noun can be a subject, can be an object, or can be an object of preposition.
It's an object.
Yeah, it's an object. We call it an indirect object because it's it receives the action rather than the action is done to it itself. So give me liberty. So this is indirect object. And what's liberty?
Abdulaziz is having he wants to ask a question.
Yeah, Aziz, question. Sorry.
Yes, Mister, you should mean indirect what?
Indirect object.
Is the word that can be an indirect object only me, or there is a...
No. Other words. For example, if I say I'll make Aziz a cup of tea. So if I say, for example, if I say here, sorry guys, is my can everybody see my computer screen?
Yes.
So if I say I will make Aziz a cup of tea. So let's see. So the verb here is make, right? Or actually I will make, right? So who's going to benefit from the verb?
Aziz.
So that's why he's an indirect object. And what's going to be made? What's gonna be affected directly by the verb make?
A cup of tea.
Very good. So the cup of tea is gonna be affected directly from by the making. It's gonna undergo the making process. Have you got it, Anthony?
I think so, yeah.
So that's why, yeah. So Aziz only benefits from the action rather than the action is not done to him. What do you think, Anthony?
Yeah, so the direct object is
Yeah.
the tea or the
Yeah,
cup
the
of
tea, because it's the thing that's gonna
it's going to
be made. Yeah. Is Aziz gonna be made?
So,
No.
Are you gonna be made, Aziz?
so the thing that will happen, Abdulaziz didn't make. Someone did it to Abdulaziz.
Yes, very good. Yeah, but yeah, it's done to you rather than you yourself is the person who's done. I'm gonna give you another example. Yeah. So if I say, Mr. Anthony gave us an
So it's
Assignment.
an object.
assignment. Who's given to who is given to us?
So,
Sign.
The assignment. Is Mr. Anthony given to us? Are we given to Mr. Anthony? No, the assignment is the one which is given by Mr. Anthony. So us benefit from the action rather than the action is done to us ourselves. You see what I mean? So and this is,
it's not literal, right?
pardon me?
It's not like literal. It's not literal.
No, it's correct. You can say it in a different way, Aziz. For example, you can say, Mr. Anthony gave an assign, but it's a bit awkward, but it's okay. Assign, grammatically correct, meant to us. You see here?
The first one is better, Muslim.
Yeah. So the first one, for the first one, I can say I will make Aziz. I will make a cup of tea, for Aziz. Yeah,
It's the same.
you got it. But this way, it's not gonna be it's gonna be an object. Aziz here is gonna be an object of preposition. Okay, we're gonna talk about this later, inshallah. But let's go back quickly to our lesson here. So you were saying, guys. So now I hope everybody's familiar with the meaning of parallel structure.
Yes, we are.
Has anybody got any questions?
I don't have a question. Thank you.
Anyone? Before we move on.
Thank you, Muslim.
So Because we are running out of time, so I'm gonna have to go straight to the practice part, all right? So because some people struggled with the question. So can somebody whose turn now? Whose turn?
So can I answer?
Who is this?
I think Omar, I said.
Omar Habibi, Omar Habibi. Can you read the answer number one, Amuri?
I don't get my turn because I have problem in my.
Who's that? Muhammad or Omar?
Yes.
Muhammad,
We skipped Muhammad. We skipped Muhammad.
Yeah, Muhammad Habibi. Can you read and answer this?
Yeah, April shower, bring flowers.
Mister, we have to read the head of the question. We didn't.
Yeah, thank you, Hamad, for reminding us. I love you, man. You're my best mate. Amuri, read the head of the question. Oh, he's yawning. Read the heading of the question, man.
Oh, me or
Muhammad Saad.
the following word known saying has been changed from their original word so that they do not contain a plural sentence
Very good.
structure where you write the sentence to restore the plural structure. Be prepared to explain your answer.
Very good. I'll hand you to Mr. Anthony to discuss it with you, all right?
Okay, guys, who knows or who would like to answer number one? So read to me the question and then we'll try and work it out together. Who would like to answer for number one?
Yeah. April shower bring flower in May.
Okay.
I will check. April showers brings May brings flowers in May. This will be April shower bring May flowers.
April showers bring May flowers.
Flower. Yeah.
Okay, great. So you've changed May into the sentence in between before flowers. So April showers bring flowers in, April showers bring May flowers.
Yeah.
Great. So let's just check that answer. April showers bring May flowers. Good job.
Wow.
Very good.
Very good job.
Muhammad. I love you, man. Like 12. How many students? How many of us are here, Muhammad Lagil? How many of us are here? 10. 10. Okay, cool.
10 students. Great.
There's somebody.
So who would like to answer? Who would like to answer number two?
Please.
Who would like to answer number two?
Me, please.
Who is that?
I'm Muhammad Agil.
Okay, great. Go ahead.
Okay. Two.
Two.
No news is news that is good.
Okay.
No news is good. Wait. No news is news that is good.
Remember, we need to have the same structure.
Yes.
The same parallel structure.
No news is news that is no news is good.
No news is.
Can I answer?
Yeah, who would like to help him? Someone else jump in and give him a hand.
Abdulaziz.
Okay.
Abdulaziz. Me.
It's correct for Muhammad Akil. No, you forgot the word news at the end.
Okay, so try and answer it again. Let's work it out together.
Okay, Abdulaziz, help him.
Abdulaziz?
Me. Okay.
You chose Abdulaziz to help.
No news is good news.
Wow.
Wow, good
Can you
job.
explain the structure, Aziz? Explain the structure for us.
That is.
No, you can't delete it.
Yeah, you can't delete it. I can delete it.
You can delete it, yes. So good news is parallel to no news because both consist of an adjective and a noun.
Yeah, that's absolutely right. Very good, Aziz. Thank you, Muhammad, for trying. I love you, man.
Yes, thank you. But I thought
Okay, someone new. Let's go maybe Omar.
Omar Saleh, yeah. Omar Saleh?
Me. I'm sorry.
What do you think?
Seeing is to believe. So
So we've got seeing is to believe.
So I'm gonna give you a hint, Omar. I'm gonna give you a hint. What if we consider the verb is here as like the equal mark or as the balancing point? What if the is a balancing point? We need to have the same weight on both sides. How are we gonna do it? The same structure on both sides.
Seeing is belief.
Yes, who said it? Very good, Amouri. I love you so dearly. So you're spot on, man. So actually, you're absolutely right. Seeing is believing, or even you can change it the other way around. Did you know that you can change it the other way around, boys? Like,
Yes, believing is
like for example, you can say to see is to believe. Can you say that, Anthony?
To see is to believe.
Yeah, to see is to believe.
The sentence structure there
Very
makes
good.
sense.
You are really rocking, boys. So we only have like 4 exercises and the review. Please, we're gonna get together again later. So have a go with this by yourself
That's all, Mister.
and get back to me. Do you have any question before we leave you?
Can we do plus work?
Good work. Thank you, Mr.
What's it?
what do you have to do, Mr. You have to answer this.
Plus work. Plus work.
I'm gonna post the video on YouTube and on our Madrasati Baiti icon, and I'm gonna attach a Word file with it that had the exercise. I sent it before, but all you need to do is to do it on your computer and then upload it back to me. All right? I'm also gonna be put some electronic questions in the electronic homework.
Repeat it.
The electronic homework will be available, inshallah, after 3, when everybody's awake. All right, boys? So I'll leave Mr. Anthony to end the... Yes, question. I heard the word question.
Me, Abdulaziz.
Yes, Aziz.
Abdulaziz.
Yes, Aziz, I'm listening.
We've heard it.
Yes, Mister, you said I'm gonna leave you homework. We solve only the homework, or you will send us a sheet that we will.
I already sent the sheet, but I'm gonna send the sheet on the school's website so that you can upload it back to me, so that it's easier for you. Because once you download it, it gives you the opportunity to upload it back. Do you understand, Aziz? To finish and upload it on the school's website. And also, I'm gonna give you like electronic homework. I give you already 5 questions, right? I'm gonna add 5 more questions.
Only we do this the homework.
Yes,
Right?
yes, Habib. Thank you. Yeah. So I'm gonna leave you to Mr. Anthony to finish this wonderful class with you.
You forgot Hamid's question.
Yeah. Oh, sorry, Hamad. Have you asked the question?
Yes.
What's it, love?
Mister, I already did the worksheet and did the electronic homework.
Well, I'm gonna add 5 more electronic homework questions, and they are gonna be available by 3 because I scheduled it to appear to you at 3 o'clock.
Thank you, Mister. I appreciate it.
Welcome, love. Welcome. Any other question before we leave,
No, thank you.
Mr. Anthony?
Okay.
No, thanks.
Me.
Yes, Aziz. Was it?
Yes. Yes.
Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
What is it, Aziz?
You said we solve the homework. We understand. We solve the sheet format.
Yeah, try to solve the sheets on your computer and upload it back. So that, because I'm trying to test the uploading, what do you call it? The
Uploading
potential,
potential capabilities.
the uploading potentials on the website.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you. Leave you with Mr. Anthony.
Okay, guys, I'm going to say goodbye to you. Very nice to have a conversation with you. I hope that you learned more information about parallel structures and how to make sentences sound more correct by using parallel structures. So we're going to be doing more of these lessons throughout next week, and yeah, just stay connected, and also, be aware that you're going to be having more homework and worksheets available, throughout the day. So just be prepared.
Thank you, Mr.
And yeah, thank you very much, guys. You guys have a great day.
You're welcome.
You too. You too. Thanks.
Thank you. Thank you guys.
Goodbye.
See you.
See you later.
See you later.